Hello guys, welcome to another Adobe XD tutorial. In this video, we're gonna learn how to create the home page of a mobile application. So, without wasting any time, let's do this. I have already created an artboard for this project, and I have also imported some images and icons which we can use for this project. First, I'm gonna place the status bar on top of the artboard. Next, I'm gonna type welcome message here. Now, I'm gonna make a duplicate of the text and I will type the username. Then I'm gonna change the font size to 19 pixels and I will change the font weight to bold. And also I will change the color to #242121. After that, I'm gonna place the user icon on top of the right corner. Next, we're gonna create the search bar with filtering options. For that, I'm gonna grab the rectangle tool and create a rectangle. After that, I'm gonna make the edges of the rectangle rounded. Then I will remove the border and I will change the background color. The color code I will be using #F5F5F5. Now I'm gonna place the magnifying icon on top of the search bar. And I will also place the filter icon on the right side of the search bar. Now I'm gonna type the placeholder text. Let's align it with the icon. Next, I'm gonna create the categories for the home page. I'm gonna select the text tool and type top categories. I'm gonna change the font size to 19 pixels and I will keep the font weight to bold. Now I'm gonna create a rectangle and change the border radius to 21 pixels. I will remove the border and I will give a lighter drop shadow to it. Then I'm gonna use the repeat grid option to make 3 more duplicates of it. Next, I'm gonna add the category images on top of each rectangles and I will align it. Now let's duplicate the top categories text and change to top items. Next, I'm gonna create a rectangle and remove its border. After that, I'm gonna change the border radius to 21 pixels and I will give a lighter drop shadow to it. Now I'm gonna place an image on top of the rectangle. Let's reduce the size a little bit. Next, I'm gonna add a title. Okay, this should do it. I'm gonna change the font size to 18 pixels and I will keep the font weight to medium. Now I'm gonna add the name of the restaurant. I'm gonna change the text color to #9f9f9f and I will reduce the font size to 15 pixels and I will change the font weight to regular. Now let's add the rating stars. After that, I'm going to create a button to select this item. I will create a circle with the height and width of 29 pixels. Then I will remove the border of the circle and I will change the background color to #F6BA00. Let's add some drop shadow to the button. Now I will place the plus icon on top of the button. Once I have this, I'm gonna add the icons on the navigation bar. To indicate the icon is active, I will place it inside a yellow rectangle and I will change the icon color to white. For the final step, I will create a view or link for the top categories. Then I will make a duplicate of it and use it in the top item section. Okay guys, our homepage is completed. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.